time is remaining for JEE. There are only 2 attempts that too for this year, and also in first attempt it's gonna be tough because for AP students, because AP intermediate, that is state board or state board intermediate exams is gonna be held in that month from first week, and JEE main is also gonna be held in that week only. Even if we cannot predict that it may also come in our exam day, so we should be prepared for that. So let's quickly revise everything. I will not waste time for anything. Okay, let's quickly solve questions. Now I will be telling 21 to 25, which are numerical type questions, which are quite bigger than before 20 problems, but I am gonna complete all those in one video. 21 to 25 questions, and 21st question comes out to be calculate molality. Give me a minute, 1 minute. Yes, calculate molality of potassium iodide if density of this 20% mass by mass, m by m, 20% m by m aqueous Ki. This density of this aqueous Ki is 1.202 gram per liter. Actually this can be left. Actually it was given for confusing you. Density is not at all required for this question. Now molality comes out to be number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent in kg, right? So if we solve molality, number of moles comes out to be given mass by molar mass into weight of solvent is given in grams, so it becomes some x grams by 1000, but we can write that as into 1000 by weight of solvent given, right? So to solve this, we are having molality formula. Given mass is nothing but sorry, I forgot completely to explain this. 20% m by m is given, which means in question whenever it was given like that, 100 grams of this solution, 100 grams of solution contains 20 grams of solute, and if 20 grams of solute is present here, 80 grams of solvent is gonna be present. Okay, remember this. And now molality is given by given mass is 20 grams, right? 20 in 100 grams, 20 grams is going to present, and molar mass comes out to be, for Ki it comes out to be for potassium 39, and for iodine it comes out to be 127, which results as in 166. 20 by 166 into 1000 by volume, weight of solvent in grams 80. Now this zero comes out to be cancelled, and 4 2s, 4 5s, 2 50s, which is 250 by 166, which comes out to be 1.5. And in the question we are asked that report your final answer by rounding off this molality. By rounding off molality, correct up to one place of decimal. This is one place of decimal, we found out it correct, and then multiplying it with 10. Now we should multiply our answer. This is the molality of the required given solution. Now we should multiply this molality with 10, it seems. Then integer is gonna become. So these are all numerical questions, which means we should write direct answer. There will be no options given. So 1.5 into 10, which results is in 115. So this is the right answer. Hope everyone got it. Now let's go to 22nd question. It was given that total number of moles of neutrons present in 108 grams 108 ml of 108 ml of H2O. It was asked this. So we should find out total number of moles of neutrons were asked. So we should find out this. If we clearly observe, to find neutrons, first we should find in H2O how many neutrons are present. For hydrogen, it is 1 1, that is atomic number is 1. Atomic number is represented by Z, and atomic mass is also represented by A and Z. Now for oxygen, it's gonna be 8 16 Z A. Now number of neutrons comes out to be A minus Z, which is atomic mass minus atomic number, which is number of neutrons for hydrogen comes out to be 0 because 1 minus 1, and for oxygen number of neutrons comes out to be 16 minus 8 A minus Z, which comes out to be 8. So for H2O, totally 8 neutrons were present in H2O, right? So they asked us total number of moles of neutrons. We found out the number of neutrons. So for this we should know a small thing, that is density of water. Density of pure water, density of pure water is 1, right? Now density is nothing but mass by volume. So mass comes out to be 108 grams here. That means in case of water, mass is equal to volume, because density of water is 1. Hope you understood this topic. Density of pure water is gonna be 1. So in case of water, mass is equal to volume of that water. So now mass was given as 108 ml, so 100 grams. So volume also results as in 108 ml. So we found out volume. Now to find out number of moles of neutrons, number of moles of neutrons, we have 108 ml was given. So 108 ml was given in the question. So here mass comes out to be 108 grams upon molecular mass. Number of moles is given by given mass by molar mass. Molar mass of H2O is 18, which we already know, and we are given to find out number of neutrons. So 8 neutrons are there for each molecule, for each mole. That means in this number of moles, in every mole, 8 number of neutrons were present. So by cancelling this out, 2 9s, 2 4s, 9 12s, 108 actually, in 12 into 4, which results as in 48 moles of neutrons. Totally 48 moles of neutrons were present. So this is the answer for 22nd question. And let's quickly go to fastly word will not be there in English dictionary. So let's quickly jump out into 23rd question. 23rd question was given. In 23rd question, it was given that the mole fraction of solute in a solution is 0.1 at 298 K. Molarity of this solution is same as molality. Molarity is defined as capital M and molality is defined as small m. So in case of this question, molarity is same as molality it seems, and also density of this solution was given, which is 2 gram per centimeter cube. And you should know one thing, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. That means 1 by 1000 liter is equal to 1 centimeter. If we write it in denominator, then if it goes up, it becomes 2 into 1000 gram per liter. Okay, so 2 gram per 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So if 1000 goes up, it comes out to be 2000 gram per liter. This is the density of that given solution. We are having mole fraction of solute as 0.1, and its temperature was given, which can be neglected. Never care about the temperature, especially in these chemistry problems. And it was also given that molarity is equal to molality, and density was given. So we should solve this question quickly. Yes, we are running out of time. So these very quickly, very quick manner. Yes, if we solve this, first it was given that mass of solute is 0.1, and mass of solvent comes out to be 1 minus mass of solute, which is 1 minus 0.1, which results as 0.9, right? 0.9. So we should find out molarity, which is number of moles of solute by volume in liters, but we don't know volume, so we should find out volume. Volume comes out to be mass by density. Mass was given, mass was not given because mass of solute was only given. Mass of solute into molecular weight of that solute plus mass of solvent into molecular weight, let's say 2 m2 as molecular weight of solvent. Okay, molecular weight of solvent is m2. Molecular weight of solvent is m2, and molecular weight of solvent is solute is m1. So 0.1 into m1 plus 0.9 into m2 by density which is 2 into 2000 gram per liter. Now volume was known and number of moles of solute was 0.1, which we already know. So molarity comes out to be 0.1 by 0.1 m1 plus 0.9 m2, and by 2000, if we send it upside, it goes, if we reverse it, it goes to upside 2000 gram per liter, which is, it can be written as 1 by 10, right? Then this zero can comes out to be cancelled. We can write it as 200 by 0.m1 plus 0.9 m2. Remember this, we can come to this afterwards. So now we should calculate molality. Molality comes out to be number of moles of solute, same 0.1 by weight of solvent in kgs, which is 0.9 into m2. This is in grams, but we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. We can write 1000 gram upon 1 kg. 1000 gram means 1 kg, 1 by 1 it cancels, be cancelled. So we can write like this, right? Then gram is gonna be cancelled, and 0.1 into 1000, which is 100. Molality comes out to be 100 by 0.9 m2 kg, right? This was molality, but in the question we were given that molarity is equal to molality. So molarity, we found out that molarity is equal to molarity. We found out molarity, which is 200 by 0.1 m1 plus 0.9 m2, which equals to 0.1. Already we cancelled out, right? 100 upon 0.9 m2, and if you send that side, sorry, 0.0 we cancel 2 into 0.9, which results as 1.8 m2 is equal to 0.9 m2 plus we cross multiply, this is cross multiplication, and 0 here 1 is remained, so 0.1 m1, which comes out to be 1.8 minus 0.9, which comes out to be 0.9 m2. 0.9 m2 is equal to 0.1 m1, which is, we can cancel this, we can write this as 9 by 10 and this as 1 by 10. Then this one I will cancel. We are asked to find out the ratio of m1 by m2, that is molecular weight of solute to molecular weight of solvent, which comes out to be 9 by 1, which comes out to be 9. So this is our perfect answer. Yes, 23 questions completed. There are only 2 remaining. Just time has run out, so I'll explain you those 2 in next video. Signing off.